Hey guys, I'm Dr. Zainab, and I have with me the always smiling Dr. Simran from our BTR boot camp, and she's gotten an amazing rank of 347. First of all, Simran, I have to tell everybody that I saw this girl crying her eyes out after INICT May result, and that's because all of us believed, that she had the potential in her, and she herself believed that, she had the fire in her to do so much better, and you finally have. And I am so happy and so proud of you. How are you feeling? Please tell me.
I'm actually too overwhelmed to, even like respond to it. I checked my result 5 times. I made sure that my mother also checked.
Yeah.
And but first of all, ma'am, I would like to start by thanking you. I mean, there is no limit how much I can thank you for this because this is something I owe it to you. Like, ठीक है, by myself, it's not like I would not have gotten somewhere, somewhere something I wanted. But this is something I always never thought of ki I can be here. And you changed entire this PG preparation thing for me. Like I was so clueless. So I mean, abhi to nahi lag raha hoga, but I'm quite introvert as a person, and I never had a guardian angel kind of thing in my UG college or anything. I was so lost. I was like, हाँ ठीक है, देखते हैं क्या करना है. But you just I mean, you just मैं बता भी नहीं सकती हूँ. I mean, you did everything for me, and coming to Vidya Jeevan itself, I can't even describe. I'm just so overwhelmed.
No, no, no. You were so hardworking. I remember, every single class, every single test. And we have literally seen you grow and improve, with time. Means you were constantly working hard. And end of the day, that is what matters, right? Time and again, everybody has just, any interview I've taken, one word is consistency, right? In this NEET PG preparation, it's a mental game at the end, right? How who can stick the longest and who can be persistent and consistent. And that's what you have done for sure. So much of your hard work has gone into this, so I just want you to guide all of the juniors who are watching this, who want this rank for themselves. What did you do right? What do you think? How was your entire journey, like starting from MBBS? How were undergrad years, then internship, after that? Just tell
So,
every.
ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm from 18 batch, and I did my UG from Vimsar Burla. It's in Odisha. I'm from Bihar actually. So I went there through AIQ, and I did my UG there, and I was like, okay. I used to honestly, without to, I mean, I always thought that I just felt this restlessness. So that unrest was there when you are like first, medical from your
Yeah.
family. There is this unrest, and
Yeah.
I always felt like that. And every time my other thought was कि ठीक है, इसके बाद तो ड्रॉप कर ही दूंगी, इसके बाद तो ड्रॉप कर ही दूंगी. But until I came to final year, and all those clinical subject, they gave me some sort of balance. I was like, okay, ठीक है, सब अच्छा है, अब ठीक है. तो फिर देन ऑनेस्टली बताऊँ तो मैंने कभी स्टार्ट करा ही नहीं फॉर पीजी प्रिपरेशन बिकॉज आई हैड दिस डीप लव फॉर पैथोलॉजी.
Yeah.
And somehow I got to know ki I can get it even, slightly, like average rank I can get patho. So I
Yeah.
was like, okay, ठीक है, फिर तो क्या ही पढ़ना. तो I was so, but I think internship is very important,
Yeah.
right? When I got into all those, branches, all those departments, indoors, and managing patient, doing all those diagnosis and stuff like that. That little things that
Yeah.
gave me so much joy that I realized, okay, I want to stick here.
Yeah.
And it came very late to me, and so I started very late after my internship only. And last year ka attempt was SE. I had a mid rank
Yeah.
of 15,000. Then somehow I got very depressed because of that, and I wasted so much time. So
Hmm.
I restarted in March,
Yeah.
and then
So at
I
that
came to
point,
Vidya.
आपको क्या लेना था? You did not want to take pathology then?
I don't know, but I just wanted
You
something
wanted to do
clinical, which
better.
something clinical also,
Yeah.
and I wanted to do something which is not surgical because I realized it's my limitation
Yeah.
to be so much like physically hardworking. I
Yeah.
realized कि I can be very unhappy in long term. So
Yeah.
मुझे वो realization हो गया था.
ठीक है. Right. So you basically wanted to
Yeah,
give a better exam and
yeah, that was me.
right. ओके, सो फिर उसके बाद बताओ।
Then I came to Vidya Jeevan. I had a long, what do I say, cribbing talk with Ravi sir.
या
Every time, every time I just cried. Like, sir, मेरा कुछ नहीं हुआ है. I'm just so lagging behind. I've not started this, that. And since I was a BTR follower, as in ki I had like annotated BTR before, and I just love, annotating. This is my newly discovered love. So it was so fun, annotating BTR. You can do so many things, and you can add PYQ then and there. And it was really fun. And that was the only thing I had done. And then I met you and I told you कि मैम मैंने एक बार annotate तो करा है but मैं revise नहीं कर पाती हूँ.
हम्म
And that time I think you might remember. फिर आपने बोला था कि ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, आई एम मेकिंग श्योर कि तुम हर पेज से रिवाइज कर लो.
हम्म
So I'm making questions like that, and all those TNDs. Like we used to get like 1 week or 5 days for
या
each subject, and like subjects block were there, and फिर मेरा वही रहता था कि बस BTR करना है और जो भी नहीं आ रहा है क्यू बैंक के थ्रू ऐड करना है. So I didn't explore much other platforms also. Like ठीक है, एक other I had alternate source, like I used Marrow for my QBank and GTs, and rest was just BTR. I mean, so
Amazing. So basically आपने रिवाइज अच्छा कर लिया था, and we did a lot of MCQs. I think by the
true,
time the
true.
exam actually came, our boot camp TNDs, then the one more TND, then TND 2.0. So I think we already did a lot of practice, of MCQs with all of you guys, especially. Yeah. So
Yeah, and the D's, sorry, yes, no?
no, 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 go on.
And the desensitization
Yeah,
thing, okay, like
yeah,
I am somebody who just can't hold a book for long
yeah,
duration. So I realized it's okay. मैंने मतलब it took me a very long time to accept my method of studying
yeah.
कि हाँ सिर्फ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हैं and all. तो फिर मैंने इसमें भी डिस्कस करा, रवि सर को मैंने बहुत परेशान कर. And he was like, it's okay, तुम करो जो हो रहा है सही हो रहा है, it's fine, it's fine. तो for me, BTR itself was like my second brain. कि ठीक है, whatever it's there in my brain and what is there not, let's add it there and just revise थोड़ा सा.
Yeah.
रेट्रोग्रेड आ जाएगा हर बार जाएंगे उसी पेज में जाएंगे, बिकॉज आई कुड रिकॉल ओके ठीक है वहां पे साइड में वो है तो चले जाते हैं वहां पे एंड लेट्स गो एंड जस्ट एड इट देयर.
Yeah.
सो it was like that only, just वही questions BTR. And because of being in Vidya Jeevan itself, I think मेरा थोड़ा वो जो monotonicity था,
Yeah.
that was actually absolutely broken.
Yeah.
तो मेरे लिए every test was a thrill कि हाँ ठीक है अब इसमें कैसे करना है.
Yeah. And plus, I think everybody was going through the same emotions,
Yeah,
right? सबके high भी साथ में इधर low भी साथ में ही थे.
लोग.
So I think that helps, that really
Oh
helps,
Lord.
because you feel that मैं सिर्फ अकेले struggle नहीं कर रही, सभी struggle कर रहे हैं यहाँ.
Yeah.
How the
And
journey?
मतलब इतने अच्छे फ्रेंड्स, मतलब आई मेट सच गुड अमेजिंग पीपल देयर. आई जस्ट कांट डिस्क्राइब them to you. Like they were amazing, all
Yeah.
of them having similar mindset and like such a positive healthy environment. अरे कोई बात नहीं, मैं बता रही हूँ, कोई बात नहीं, we will take care of it, don't worry.
Yeah.
It's like amazing.
Yeah, it was very heartening for us to see, from a distance, that how you guys are bonding, and एक sense of competition है, but एक दूसरे को नीचे करके competition नहीं है, साथ में ऊपर आते वाला competition है. So
Yeah,
that's
true,
something which
true.
was very heartening for us as teachers to see that we're doing something right here. So that was very, and the result that we are seeing now, and everybody is getting such amazing ranks. So I feel,
Yeah, everyone.
yeah, and so proud of you, because I've seen you guys closely working so hard for so many months at a stretch. So very, very happy and very proud of you. Tell me the final thing, you want to tell your juniors. So let's take yourself back 1 year. Let's say 15,000 rank आए किसी बच्चे का, and they're wondering अब life के साथ क्या करें, because you are neither here nor there. You have not done very poorly also, but you have not done very nicely also. So you don't really know what to do at this point. So take yourself back to that frame of mind and tell your junior कि क्या सही सिमरन ने करा, that she has now reached 347.
Okay, तो ठीक है. What I would tell also from my mistake also is
Yeah.
that please do not waste time on, result. It's okay. Make a quick decision.
Yeah.
Whether you want to give another attempt of like
Yes.
November INA or maybe till NEET 26, just make a quick decision कि क्या करना क्या है, मतलब हाँ, you should be on one side.
Mm.
And honestly, if anyone I mean, अगर मेरे से पूछा, I would just say कि just stick to BTR and just go through all the TNDs. Like TND के cycle, we get enough time to go through all this TNDs itself. Like दो तीन cycle तो हो जाते हैं ऐसे में. Even if you're doing like two cycles,
Yeah.
or I mean two ENDs together, you can just finish all six of them. And 7.2 is also coming, yeah. And and all the compiled modules, like they were my holy grails. I mean, ma'am, I don't know if it is right to even say this, but I was just so addicted to you that I had to listen to you every single day. Like I would feel that my day is so incomplete, then I would just play one compiled module, then I would just walk after lunch or something, and I would just watch it. I was like, aha, theek hai, ab sab theek hai. Then so I would really suggest, BTR is not just BTR itself, the workbooks. It's just everything. If possible, I will actually share Telegram. I will share my annotated how to, just
Yeah.
for and that's it. And then solve a lot of questions. Like
Yeah.
there is nothing to be afraid of question. But yeah, honestly, individual preparation is strategy should be there. And especially if anyone is coming to boot camp, I would really suggest ki, there is no place better than that for NEET PG, especially under Ravi sir guidance. He tailors all the what do I say, like सबको इतना tailored advice देते हैं ना. He never repeats his advices. Like सबके लिए एकदम अलग, नहीं नहीं तुम ऐसे करो, नहीं नहीं तुम ऐसे करो. So it was like really nice. And like last आईने के बाद I was very depressed. तो सर ने मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी बात बोली थी. उन्होंने बोला था, रैंक इज barely a step for your long medical career.
Yeah.
और तुम्हारे पूरे मेडिकल करियर का सबसे बड़ा हाईलाइट तुम्हारा पीजी प्रिपरेशन तो नहीं है. Why are you taking so much pressure? I was like,
Mm.
हाँ बात तो सही है. So that was something that actually helped me a lot. क्योंकि आईने के टाइम I was under a lot of pressure.
Yeah.
I was like, अब तो डू एंड डाई है एंड स्टफ एंड स्टफ. बट अभी मैंने खुद को बहुत ही, हाँ ठीक है,
It
देखते
takes the
हैं.
pressure off you, right? And
या
pressure ही है
ट्रू.
जो अच्छे अच्छे students का preparation. It makes you doubt everything, you know. So that is what is important, to have the bigger, broader perspective of life. And this is just one hurdle, and you've crossed it, and now you move on, you know. So that's something which is very important.
या
Great, Simran. So very happy to see how
थैंक यू,
the
थैंक
journey
यू.
has ended for you, and we are very, very proud of you. Let me just
थैंक
again
यू सो मच.
emphasize on that. So please keep smiling always. And
नहीं मैम, मतलब it's all because of you, I mean, I know it sounds very gay, but I mean, I was very lost. You have no idea. I mean, that knight in shining armor kind of thing. You
thank
did
you so
that for
much.
me. Like, it was amazing. The entire
Thank,
journey was very, what do I say? It was very compassionate because of you. You
thank,
always like made sure कि सब अच्छे से हो जाए.
thank you so
And we
much.
did
And
it.
please convey my regards to your parents as well.
Yeah, yeah, they're thrilled, and my brother also is very thrilled.
Amazing. Enjoy, celebrate. You
Yeah,
completely deserve this. आज बड़ी
yeah.
पार्टी करो सब लोग. Okay, see you soon, Simran. Bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am.